The Down Home Fab stars posted the video featuring the farm's newest member on Chelsea's Instagram Saturday. Chelsea, 31, captioned the post, "Cows or flowers?" The video showed Cole, 34, petting the family's new fluffy, brown and white calf outside the DeBoer's South Dakota home. Text reading, "Girl, don't want flowers for Valentine's Day. We want cows," appeared over the recording as the former teen mom stated the proclamation aloud. In the comment section, one fan joked, "I want chickens because of the price of eggs nowadays SMH." Another person asked, "Is this a new baby cow?" To which the HGTV star emphatically replied. Cole reposted the video to his Instagram stories, along with another video, and a photo of the pet cow. Of the video was captioned, "Well, see you, I mean, to the family," and showed the cow standing outside the couple's garage with a leash around its snout. One of the DeBoer children could be heard saying, "Mom, he's so cute." The photo was a close-up shot of the calf and showcased the animal's chestnut-colored fur, along with the white patches located on its head and belly. A little over a year ago, Cole shared a video of another calf just days after adopting him. Chelsea and Cole again introduced the baby cow to fans using their Instagram accounts. The adorable adopted calf was named Todd and joined the other cows on the farm named Nelson and Steve. During a TikTok video, Todd was shown leaning toward the lens to curiously sniff the camera. He stood in a field as it was snowing outside and has cute brown dots around his big brown eyes with thick lashes. The teen mom, Tu Alam, and her husband already have two of the same type of cow, Highland cattle, on their property. The couple has several other animals on their farm, including several goats and a pig, showing skin. Recently, Chelsea showed some serious underboob in a form-fitting purple dress for a sexy new snap. The ex-NTV star has been showing off her body more and more as of late, leading to much speculation about alterations to her appearance. On Thursday, Chelsea took to her Instagram story to show off a few new pieces. Among those pieces was a skimpy little dress perfect for a night out on the town. She posed in the dress, which reached the middle of her thigh and featured a large cutout in the center, showing her ample chest. Chelsea's dress featured a halter neckline, and she wore her long dark hair loose around her shoulders. The outfit accentuated her tiny waist and slim figure. Chelsea's appearance isn't all the fans are buzzing about as of late, however. The reality star's new HGTV series was just renewed for a second season, but things are trending downward for the couple, at least in terms of viewership. Down Home, Devara Amena, long after the network announced news, the U.S. Sun exclusively reported that Down Home Fab lost hundreds of thousands of viewers. Episode 4 brought in 700,000 viewers, down by nearly 200,000 from the third episode. The third episode of the premiere season brought in 878,000 viewers. The second episode had 850,000 people tune in, while the premiere had just 678,000 viewers. The low ratings come after Chelsea and Cole posted a video revealing the show has been picked up for Season 2. The HGTV executive said over video chat, "Just wanted to get on with you guys to let you know that we have officially greenlit Season 2 of Down Home Fab." The reality TV star and her husband seemed shocked by the announcement, as both appeared to be lost for words until Cole finally exclaimed, "No way, please subscribe my channel Teen Mom Update."